Module 2, Understanding the Operating System. In this module, we'll dive into operating systems, OS, the software that powers your computer and allows you to interact with it. We'll focus on the Windows operating system, the most widely used OS for personal computers. Understanding how Windows works will help you manage programs, files, and settings with ease. What is an operating system? An operating system, OS, is the main software that manages your computer's hardware and software resources. It acts as a bridge between you and the computer's hardware, allowing you to run programs, manage files, and control settings through a user-friendly interface. Windows, developed by Microsoft, is one of the most popular operating systems. It provides a graphical interface with icons, buttons, and menus, making your computer easy to use even if you're new to computing. Besides Windows, other popular operating systems include Mac OS, developed by Apple, known for its sleek design and integration with other Apple products, and Linux, an open-source OS preferred by developers for its flexibility and security. Let's explore some of the basic functions of the Windows operating system. Windows allows you to open and close programs, manage files and folders, adjust system settings, customize your computing experience. Opening and closing programs. To open a program, click on the Start menu, the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see a list of applications installed on your computer. Click on the program you want to open, and it will launch and appear on your screen. To close a program, click the X button located in the upper right corner of the program window. If you have multiple programs running, you can switch between them by using the task switcher. Press Alt and Tab on your keyboard to see all open programs and select the one you want to switch to. Alternatively, you can click on the program icons on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. One of the core functions of Windows is file management. This includes creating, renaming, saving, and organizing files into folders. To manage your files, use the File Explorer, which you can open by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar or by pressing Windows key and E. In File Explorer, you can navigate through your files, create new folders, and move files from one location to another. For example, you can create a folder for work documents and store all related files inside to stay organized. To quickly locate a file, use the search bar at the top right corner of the File Explorer window. Simply type the name of the file or a keyword, and Windows will display matching results. This saves time when you have a lot of files on your computer. Exploring system settings. The settings menu is where you can adjust everything from display brightness to sound volume, internet connection, and more. To open settings, click the Start menu, then select the gear icon to access system settings. Alternatively, you can press Windows key plus I on your keyboard. In the Settings menu, you can customize System Settings, adjust screen brightness, resolution, and display orientation. Devices, manage connected devices like printers, mice, and keyboards. Network and Internet, connect to Wi-Fi networks and manage network settings. Personalization, change your wallpaper, colors, and themes. Time and language, set your time zone and preferred language. Update and security, keep your system updated and secure. User accounts and permissions. To create a new user account, go to Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users. Click Add someone else to this PC and follow the prompts. You can assign different permission levels, such as administrator or standard user, to control access to system settings and files. Advanced file management, organizing, backups, and searching. Beyond basic file management, Windows provides advanced features for organizing and protecting your files. Start by organizing files into specific folders based on topics or projects. This helps you quickly find what you need. You can rename multiple files in bulk by selecting them all, right-clicking, and choosing Rename. Windows will allow you to rename the first file, and it will automatically rename the others with sequential numbers. One of the great things about Windows is the ability to customize it to your preferences. You can change the system theme to light or dark mode, adjust the background wallpaper, and create shortcuts on your desktop for quick access to frequently used programs. To change your wallpaper and theme, right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Choose Background to change your wallpaper. Select Colors to switch between light and dark mode. To adjust your display settings, go to Settings, System, Display. Here you can change the resolution, adjust the brightness, and set up multiple monitors. For sound settings, navigate to Settings, System, Sound to manage your input and output devices. You can also customize your taskbar by adding icons for quick access to your most used apps. To pin an app to the taskbar, open the application. Right-click its icon on the taskbar. Select Pin to Taskbar. This way, the app icon will remain on the taskbar even after you close it. Introduction to Task Management, managing multiple programs. Windows comes with a tool called Task Manager that lets you monitor which programs are running and how much memory or processing power they are using. To open Task Manager, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. You can also right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, you can view all running applications and background processes, see how much CPU, memory, disk, and network resources each program is using. End tasks for programs that are not responding or are slowing down your computer by selecting the program and clicking End Task. This is helpful when you need to free up system resources or troubleshoot performance issues. Security and updates. It's important to keep your operating system secure and up to date. To check for updates, go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Regular updates provide important security patches and new features that keep your computer running smoothly. Windows comes with built-in antivirus software called Windows Security, formerly Windows Defender. It helps protect your computer from viruses and other malware. Ensure that it's turned on and updated. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection to view your protection status and run scans. Accessibility features. Windows offers accessibility features to assist users with disabilities or special needs. These can be accessed through Settings, Ease of Access. Features include Narrator, a screen reader that reads text out loud. Magnifier, enlarges parts of the screen for better visibility. On-screen keyboard, displays a virtual keyboard on the screen. Speech recognition, allows you to control your computer with voice commands. These tools help make computing more accessible to everyone. That concludes Module 2 on Understanding Operating Systems. We've explored how the Windows operating system helps you navigate, manage files, adjust settings, customize your experience, and keep your computer secure. Mastering these functions will allow you to get the most out of your computer.